Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you how you can extract the content from the YouTube by using the Google AI Studio, and then you can convert that content into a HTML presentation. So let's start. Here is a YouTube video that is on a vasopressor. I already watched this video, but I now want to take its content. So first we have to copy the link. Then just go to Google AI Studio, and here you have to see you have selected the Gemini 3 Pro, and you have to turn on one setting, that is the URL content. At this time this is off. Just turn it on and paste your URL link here. Now just give a simple prompt: extract the content from this YouTube video. Press run and wait, it will start working on it. So it started to extract the content. Now all content of that video is extracted. So here is the twist. Now I give an other prompt. Uh, Assign yourself a role of clinical nurse educator and convert above content into a PowerPoint slide format, and just run. Now it will convert the above content into a PowerPoint slide format. Here you can mention the number of slide. You can also add some activities. Now it's totally depend on you. I am just making it simple. Now it's converted the content into a slide format. Okay. Hmm. Right. Now here are the complete 13 slides. So what we can do next, uh, convert it into colorful, interactive, engaging HTML PowerPoint slide format. I want only one complete file. So here we give the instruction. Okay, now the convert the above content into a HTML format. Now it started to create the HTML code. Complete HTML code is created. Now here are two options. You can preview here or you can download this file. I will prefer this option. Once the file is downloaded, just click on it. Now here is the complete presentation. So title, this is title. Next, learning objectives. Then what are the vasopressors? Okay, and the key receptor physiology. Alpha, when you click on this, it will show the text V1, V2, next. Okay, norepinephrine status, receptor site, standard bag, onset, titration strategy, and here is clinical safety and phenylephrine, vasopressin, epinephrine, dopamine, and angiotensin 2, quick reference summary, knowledge check. So here's after MCQs. Correct. Thank you. So restart presentation. So here you can see how you can convert the content of YouTube video into a PowerPoint slide content and then into a HTML presentation. I hope you like this video.